guys, I used to wear these glasses all the time, and I don't think I love them as much as I used to. I used to wear them all the time to work when I was still at Disney, and now I just kind of feel kind of meh about them. Currently doing another load of laundry. I've just realized I don't think I can even dry half of these things, but we'll see. Ooh, it's chilly. I am just gonna order online, why do I say that? I'm gonna order on the Starbucks app because that is the easiest thing to do. So we're just gonna do that. I really love the salted cream cold foam cold brew at Starbucks. I think it's so good. It's one of the coffee drinks that I actually really like getting. I don't love their holiday drinks as much as I used to. I feel like when I was in college and I was like, I guess in high school and in college, I really loved their holiday drinks, and now they're just so sweet. I can't handle it. So I typically don't get them. Instead, I just get my normal drink. So we're gonna order it. I'm gonna use a reward because why not? I have to get gas, and now it looks like there are so many people at the gas station. So I'm just gonna sit here for just a little bit. Like, there are people already waiting to get gas. I wonder if you guys will stay there. So far, so good. Please, sir. Okay, great. So now we're just gonna wait. Now no one is here, just what I like. And obviously I was at the one of the gas pumps that doesn't have the notch, so you don't have to hold on to it the entire time, and I didn't bring gloves with me. My left hand is very, very cold. This is my Purell hand sanitizer that I use after I pump gas. Okay. It did explode or something. I don't know what. Oh, you know what it is? It's because it locks, and I think one time I forgot to lock it. So I've just been sitting here watching TV and on my computer watching some Vlogmas videos, and then I realized I haven't shown you guys what I've been doing, which obviously is not what I'm supposed to be doing because it's a Vlogmas, so I should be showing you what I'm doing. If you can't tell, I am currently making dinner. I'm actually making those chicken fajitas. Also watching Patriots game, and we're losing. I am making chicken fajitas in my oven, and just gonna take it out. I will link this recipe down below because it is one of my favorites, and it's super easy because you only need one pan to really cook it in. So here it is. It's just some peppers and onions that I tossed with some black pepper and garlic salt. I think the recipe tells you to use like chili seasoning or something, but honestly I don't have that, so I'm not going to use it. I don't mind that it gets a little bit charred. I actually like the way it tastes when that happens. And then these, I'll just move them around a little bit. And now here's my warning that if you don't like raw meat, just skip ahead because I'm about to show you raw meat. After you cook the vegetables for 10 minutes, it says you can put this back into the oven under the broiler for 5 minutes. Last time I did this, it took about 10, but I guess we will find out. So like I said, you guys, it's super easy. You just need that one pan, which I love, because then the cleanup isn't so bad. I just have to wash like my knife and my cutting board. I'm just gonna show you what I use for seasoning. So I've been using this. This is the Pam cooking spray avocado oil. I don't know, I just like it. And then I seasoned my vegetables with this, the garlic, salt, and black pepper. Like I said, for the chicken, I just used my Mrs. Dash original blend. I like these because these are salt-free. I know I used the garlic salt, but I don't love super salty. I know someone's gonna be like, wow, you don't know how to season your food, but you guys, you don't need salt to make it taste good. You can use a bunch of other things. Sometimes I will put red chili pepper on it as well, but I just didn't feel like it today. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Like I said, I don't mind if there are a bunch of charred bits on the peppers and the onions. I actually like the way it tastes, so that's okay to me. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna heat up 2 corn tortillas in the microwave. You can do it on a pan, but I don't feel like doing that, so I'm just gonna heat it up in the microwave. All I do is I just put it between 2 sheets of damp paper towels. I'm gonna heat it for 12 seconds. Okay, so now let's take this out of there. I can grab it. Okay, so now I have my corn tortillas. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the fajitas and put it on each. And then the next thing that I am going to do is I am just going to top it with some Trader Joe's salsa authentica. This is just my favorite salsa from Trader Joe's. And then I'm going to top it with some fancy shredded Mexican style cheese. This is also from Trader Joe's. And it has cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, asadero, and queso blanco. So we'll just put a little bit of that. If I had avocado, I would put it on here too, or sour cream. I would also put that on here, but I don't have either of those things right now. So this is it. This is what my plate for dinner looks like. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but honestly, I'm not that hungry right now, so I don't want to force myself to eat if I'm not that hungry. So it's about 8 o'clock. The Patriots lost to the Chiefs tonight, which is so annoying. I am so annoyed and so upset. But because it's only 8 o'clock, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna actually roast my mushrooms right now instead of waiting to do it till tomorrow. So I just used the sheet pan that I used to make my chicken fajitas. I've already put those into a Pyrex container so I can put it into the fridge. And then I have my shiitake mushrooms and my baby Bella mushrooms on the sheet pan with a little bit of olive oil, which I actually have to pick up a new one, and just more garlic salt. And I really just use a little bit of garlic salt on this, mainly because most likely in the salad, this is the only thing that's gonna go in that I'm seasoning. There's nothing else that I'm cooking for the salad. Everything else would just be probably straight cold. Just the other vegetables that I have in my fridge. So here is the sheet pan of mushrooms. It looks like a lot, but mushrooms cook down a ton. These will like really shrink after they come out of the oven. And then my oven is set to 425, and I'll probably cook it for 18 to 20 minutes. I'm just gonna wait for the oven to preheat. Then I'll stick these in and then just put them away into another Tupperware container. It is so windy outside. It's like shaking. It's like rattling the apartment. So here it is. This is these are the mushrooms. Like I said, it shrinks down a lot, so that's why I had so many. And like, look at all I'm left with now. They look so much smaller. And then this should last me a couple of days this week, so that I can put this into my salad or eat this with whatever I end up eating. I don't know. So right now I am studying a little bit for my final lab practical that I have on Wednesday. I'm a little worried about this one, I think. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like the last two I really got, and then this one, it's on the brain and reflexes, and I'm not feeling as confident. And as I say that, I'm saying that I'm sort of studying, because really what I'm doing is I'm watching chapter 5 of The Mandalorian, which is on Disney Plus. Disney Plus is amazing. I'm not just saying that because I used to work for them. Disney Plus is honestly amazing. I mean, they have so many things on here, including new shows like The Mandalorian, and The Mandalorian is excellent. It is so good. Pedro Pascal is so good in this, but also Baby Yoda, the best. The last episode, which was directed by Bryce Dallas Howard, I thought was probably the best episode so far. But I've just started chapter 5, so I guess we'll find out if this is any better. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a night. I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed some of the meal prep that I did for this week. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow for a new one. Bye!